Welcome back to Kids Learning Toons. Children, here we have two jellyfishes. And here we have three jellyfishes. Now we have to find the total number of jellyfishes. Let's start the counting of jellyfishes again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the total we have 5 jellyfishes. Now here is another example. Children, here we have 2 unicorns. And here we have 2 unicorns. Now we have to find the total number of unicorns. Let's start the counting of unicorns again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the total we have 4 unicorns.